Now, the Australia Volunteers Programme, supported by Australian Volunteers International, AVI, continues to make a significant impact in the Solomon Islands, building on a proud history of 75 years of volunteering across the Pacific, Asia and Africa. The volunteers have partnered with over 50 local organisations, delivering more than 200 assignments focused on different sectors across the country. AVI emphasises that the programme is not a one-way exchange, but a mutual sharing of skills and experiences that benefits both the volunteers and the communities they serve.
So this is not a program about a one-way sharing of skills. This is about a sharing of skills and sharing of experience and cultural exchange. It's something that benefits everybody. I think in the Solomons there's probably different things that have been more impactful than others. We have particularly done a lot of work in the health sector over time and with the National Referral Hospital particularly. So that's been something that's been going for many years, and we have an Australian organisation, more than one, that also help us to find the volunteers that come in and provide mentoring and training to medical staff in the referral hospital and others in the health sector as well. So because that's been going for such a long time, I think that one's a really impactful example. So at the moment, well, in the Australian Volunteers Program, this phase of the program, it started 8 years ago. And in that time in the Solomons, we've had more than 170 volunteers working with more than 50 partner organisations and delivering, again, more than 200 assignments. So there's been a lot of different things that have been going on.
Looking ahead, AVI's focus will continue to align with the Solomon Islands government's priorities, with ongoing support in education, health, governance and social inclusion.
Part of that will depend on the priorities of the Solomon Islands government here, because the program very much is informed by the agreement between the Solomon Islands government and the Australian government about where they want to see priorities. So in terms of the kinds of sectoral priorities that we focus on, I think it will be a little bit hard to predict at the moment. It will depend on those consultations. But for AVI, who will also continue to support volunteering.
SIBC TV understands over 17,000 Australians have participated in the programme, with more than 170 volunteers working in the country alone over the past 8 years. SIBC is among one of the organisations in the country benefiting from AVI.